On today's episode of The Social Plug, we take a look at one of Fiji's native birds, the peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon, also known as the peregrine and locally here in Fiji as Vanganivatu, is a widespread bird of prey in the family Falconidae. It is a large, crow-sized falcon and has a blue-grey back, barred white underparts and a black head. The peregrine is renowned for its speed, reaching over 320 km an hour during its characteristic hunting stoop or high-speed dive, making it the fastest bird in the world as well as the fastest member of the animal kingdom. According to a National Geographic TV program, the highest measured speed of a peregrine falcon is 389 km an hour. The peregrine's breeding range includes land regions from the Arctic tundra to the tropics. It can be found nearly everywhere on Earth except extreme polar regions, very high mountains and most tropical rainforests. The only major ice-free landmass from which it is entirely absent is New Zealand. This makes it the world's most widespread raptor and one of the most widely found bird species. The peregrine is a highly successful example of urban wildlife in much of its range, taking advantage of tall buildings as nest sites and an abundance of prey such as pigeons and ducks. Both the English and scientific names of this species mean wandering falcon, referring to the migratory habits of many northern populations. Experts recognize 17 to 19 subspecies, which vary in appearance and range. Although its diet consists almost exclusively of medium-sized birds, the peregrine will sometimes hunt small animals, small reptiles, or even insects. Reaching sexual maturity at 1 year, it mates for life and nests in a scrape, normally on cliff edges or in recent times on tall human-made structures. The peregrine falcon has a body length of 34 to 58 centimeters and a wingspan from 74 to 120 centimeters. The male and female have similar markings and plumage, but as in many birds of prey, the peregrine falcon displays marked sexual dimorphism in size, with the female measuring up to 30% larger than the male. The species of peregrine found here in Fiji is non-migratory and known scientifically as Falco peregrinus nesiotes. It is also found in Vanuatu and New Caledonia. Interestingly enough, over the years the bird has featured on Fijian postage stamps and more recently appears on the front side of the Fijian $2 coin. The peregrine falcon is one of the world's best-known birds of prey. Fiji has a distinctive subspecies, nesiotes or the islander. This subspecies is the darkest and, according to many, the most handsome of all the peregrines worldwide. Social Plug Fiji. Click on the subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest videos.